A boomerang of that would have been verb. Do it again.
Oh, we caught it on camera. Like this is me in real time, like the real thing.
Okay, I'm gonna show you these cue parts, and you're gonna fill the blank spaces with your name, your distributor level, and how many years or months you have.
Okay, perfect.
And then I'm gonna ask you.
Okay, perfect. Hi, my name is Katrina. Hi, my name is Katrina Julia from Atlanta, Georgia. I'm a qualified producer team level, and I have been an Herbalife Nutrition distributor now since 2013 for 6 years. At the booth I visited, the What You Need to Know corner.
Okay. If you had a message for the Herbalife Nutrition student in the corporate office, what would it be?
First, it would be a message of gratitude that Herbalife Corporate does an incredible job asking questions, whether it's about products, whether it's about the marketing plan, whether it's about nutrition clubs, whether it's about compliance and rules and regulations, and they really, really, truly go above and beyond, like no company, no industry I've ever seen. And my message would be to continue to create, to continue to transform, and to continue to inspire, to lead the way in global nutrition.
What does customer service mean to you, and what do you expect from it?
Customer service means to me, number one, going above and beyond and giving to that person what you would want to receive in any experience in life. And specifically with Herbalife Global Nutrition, whether it's at a fit camp, whether it's at a shake party, whether it's walking in a nutrition club experience that you want someone to walk in and feel like wow. And it also means giving so much value that no matter what that person decides, whether they decide to be a client for life, whether they decide to be a preferred member, whether they decide to be a distributor, whether they decide to join the top 3% as tab team, the top 1% as president's team and beyond, that they are left with such an incredible feeling of value and of the golden rule that anyone they come into contact with Herbalife Global Nutrition, they tell all their friends that they just leave with a powerful feeling of love, peace, and joy, and gratitude in their heart.
Thank you. Super cool. Thank you